My name is Robert. I'm from Ernst Designs. We're going to show you how to install a vinyl decal today. Important things to remember about a vinyl decal is it's a lot different than your regular cheapo sticker. The vinyl decal has three layers. There's a backer, which has the grid lines on it. There's a transfer tape, which is clear on the front. And then the part in between there, that yellow, that's your vinyl. So the important thing to remember is that because this is not a cheap sticker, we're not just going to peel the clear transfer tape off like this and peel the vinyl with it. It doesn't work that way. The adhesive on the vinyl has to be super strong because this is an outdoor rated decal. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to turn it over so we have it upside down on whatever surface we're looking for. Then we're going to start peeling back on the paper, holding the clear transfer tape against the surface straight so that when you get to the vinyl here, you're rolling it back with a very sharp edge on this paper and the vinyl stays on the clear transfer tape. If you need to get a sharper edge, you can take a plastic card of any sort and just kind of use that to kind of pull against. And that gives you a very sharp edge and keeps your vinyl stuck to the transfer tape. Now it is a little bit breezy here today, so hopefully that doesn't cause us any issues. We do recommend when you're installing these to do it on a calm day. I'm going to take a quick break from this real quick because I want to show you something else. We do have to clean the surface that we're going to put it on. That way we don't have any dust underneath that adhesive, because even though it is an outdoor rated adhesive, you put it on over dust, of course it's not going to stick. So we clean that off and dry it real good. Alright, then we go back to peeling off our vinyl decal. And again, we're peeling the backer away from the decal and the transfer tape. If you keep that transfer tape and the decal straight, that backer just kind of rolls right off. See that? Alright. Next step is to align the decal where we want it, and this is where this little breeze that we've got going on is going to make things a little difficult for me. So I'm going to try to be as careful as I can and wait for the breeze to die down just a touch. Alright, let's see here. Basically you want to find one edge and get it straight alongside the glass. Alright, I need that card, please. Then you take your plastic card, tack down that edge, and start smoothing up with your plastic card. Then just kind of smooth it out. You don't have to get every single air bubble out from under that transfer tape, but you do want to make sure that vinyl is pressed onto your glass real good. Once you have the vinyl pressed onto your glass, then you're going to start with the same corner there, and you're going to start peeling up the transfer tape the same way that you were peeling off the backer. The vinyl doesn't like to bend with whatever you're bending, so if you keep a sharp edge on what you're peeling away from the vinyl will stay put exactly where it belongs. Now right there is a perfectly installed decal. And being a 651 rated adhesive from Oracal, these vinyl decals should last you years and years outdoors with no issues, even if it's put on a back window where you're going to have a windshield wiper or rear defrosters. So thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.